an actor gets cast in a part, there are 3 specific phases of preparation that occur. The 3 phases are: Phase 1, the read-through. This is the first step in the rehearsal process. Here you simply read the words out loud, preferably to another person. Phase 2 is the stumble-through. Once you've taken your material through the initial read-through phase, you should have a slightly clearer idea as to how it all fits together. Phase 3, the dress rehearsal. This is the third and final phase of preparation, and it's also the most important one. The dress rehearsal is your last chance to experiment with the delivery to identify and address any problem areas, and also to deliver it for the first time in front of that intended audience. In the dress rehearsal, you are practicing for that simulated audience, delivering it exactly how you intend to do it on the actual day. No stopping, no fixing slides, just go. Running it from the beginning to the end. That's it for now. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.